Hello everyone, Vince here. Welcome to my Playsmart review. I hope you enjoy it. Playsmart is a money-making application that promises you guys out there real-life money every single minute you play a game. Playsmart also has the slogan, the more you play, the more money you make. So today I will be testing this application to see if it's real or not. The way that this money-making application works is that you play games in exchange for coins that then you can turn into real-life money. And this real-life money can either be gift cards or actual cash. And a really cool thing about Playsmart is that they actually give you a personalized game list when you sign up, so you can't really ever get lost on what to play. By the way everyone, I highly suspect that this game list is based on your country. Your game list will look completely different to someone here in Australia like myself. But not only that, I think it depends on your gender and your age as well. So Playsmart really takes a lot of these factors into consideration when you sign up. Now Playsmart has various types of game genres on it available for you guys to play, such as casual games, strategy games, casino games, which I really loved personally. There's nothing more better than actually playing a casino app and getting paid to do it. It's absolutely hilarious to me. Because if you guys have ever been to a real life casino, you know that most of the time the house always wins. So the fact that we get to play these virtual casino games and actually get paid for it is actually a nice feeling. Now what I notice is that the main type of currency system is the coin system. But then you have other types of systems as well, which will reward you the more you play. Now these type of systems include a player experience system, a star system, which kind of acts like a VIP status everyone, where if you play apps and spend real life money in them, Playsmart will award you with these stars, and then these stars can be converted into coins, which again you can then put towards your real life rewards. Playsmart also rewards you guys for playing the application every day with a daily reward system. So if you play Playsmart for a whole week in a row, it might give you 20 coins as a thank you. Now each game available on Playsmart features a badge system everyone, and this badge system I like to think of it as an achievement of sorts for each of the games. So you have different types of badges for the longer you play a game for. These badges will reward you with coins, and you get more coins the more badges you unlock, of course, for the game. From what I've noticed, each game features 4 badges, and each of these badges become harder and harder to obtain, but they will give you greater rewards. You see, the thing is everyone, Playsmart has the motto that you can earn money every minute. But when you actually download the application, you start to figure out you earn money by completing certain levels in games. And the thing is this, the more you play a game, the more your time contributes to leveling that game up. So think of every game having its own individual leveling system. So let's just say I start a game at level 1. I might have to play that game for about 30 minutes before I can hit level 2 on that game. But then I have a badge that's available at level 5 that will reward me with a bonus, let's say 15 points or 30 points. So I would have to keep that game running on my phone until Playsmart thinks I've played it long enough to hit level 5. Mind you, every time you level up on a certain game, you get a certain amount of coins as well. So not only are you earning coins just by playing the games, you are actually earning bonus points when you unlock these badges as well. It's kind of like an extra incentive to get you guys to keep playing the games over and over again, if that makes sense. Now, as I mentioned earlier with the casino games, I absolutely love the fact that I can play this huge variety of games on my phone without having to really worry about watching ads every single second. Because thankfully, the games that Playsmart will actually supply us with are fun, everyone. And this is a very rare situation because lately, I don't know what's going on with money-making apps, but the games that they've been offering me to play have been very bad. If you are to give Playsmart a go after watching this review, I highly recommend, if they are available to you, that you play the casino games. Because all you need to do is turn on the auto spin feature on a slot machine and the game will literally play itself. And you get rewarded for all the time spent in that casino game. It's literally perfect for an application like this. That being said, I discovered that you didn't really have to play any of the games on Playsmart. I could literally leave my phone on all night and it would start counting up the hours towards that game up to a certain point. Because what I realized everyone is that Playsmart will actually limit the amount of time that you can allocate towards a game per day. So what I noticed going from level 1 to 5 is that when I hit 5, Playsmart would stop counting any rewards for that day. But that was okay to me because literally the next day I'll just turn the game on again and we'll rinse and repeat the same process. So really this is an extremely laid back way to earn money with literally minimum effort. Since we're on the topics of games still, I just want to go a little bit more in depth into the badge system. From what I can see, most of the badges stay the same on what they're going to reward you with no matter what game you actually play. So the first badge that is available for you guys to unlock out there is called the Pro Gamer badge, and that will reward you with 15 coins if you play an application for 20 minutes. Next available is the Hardcore badge, and you earn this badge by playing a game all the way up to level 5, everyone. This will reward you with 30 coins extra for unlocking that badge. Next on the list is the Nightwalker badge, where you must hit level 10 on the game you're playing at the time, but if you hit level 10 they give you 100 coins. Last but not least is the Legendary badge, where you have to hit level 15, which will reward you with 300 coins, everyone. Mind you, it will take a while for you to get that Legendary badge, but when you don't even have to play the games, I'm sure you guys will figure out the best way to achieve that goal. I do want to make it clear, everyone, I'm just basing my experiences in this video, okay? I live in Australia, and it is very well known that most of these money-making applications will change heavily depending on your country, gender, and age. So everything you see in this video is just my personal experience, and that's something I want to make clear. I cannot guarantee you that when you download this app, it's going to be the same experience that I had that you're going to have. But that's why I rely on your comments in the comment section below. So if you cannot play Playsmart, or if Playsmart rewards you differently than it rewards me, please let me know in the comment section below, because I'm very curious. Because these money-making developers are really starting to change up their applications based on countries now more than ever. So now let's talk about what we can actually do with the coins that we earn on Playsmart. So guys, Playsmart offers various cash out options, which is great to see. Here in Australia, I had a PayPal cash out option, an iTunes store cash out option, and I had some real life store options as well for the gift cards. But not only that, it seems that if you do spend money on the applications you play on Playsmart for whatever reason, you can then convert those stars they give you into coins, which I mentioned earlier as well. So this is the page where you can actually do all that conversion. Now for the people that like referring their friends and family, Playsmart also features a pretty cool referral system, especially if you can get multiple people to play. If you invite your friends on Playsmart, they will reward them with a 50 coin bonus when they start. And once the person you refer gets to level 4, then Playsmart will actually reward you guys out there with 100 coins per friend you refer, as kind of like a thank you gift, I guess. Now, I don't really care much about referral codes, but you guys have constantly told me that I need to start putting codes in so you guys get that bonus when you sign up. So in the description of this video, I'll have my code if anyone wants to use it. I don't really care either way, it's just there if you guys want that bonus. Now, I played almost all the games that Playsmart offered me, and I have to say, having that wide range of games to play was so refreshing. The thing is, everyone, I'm starting to see money-making applications becoming more and more difficult as time goes on. I have no idea why. I mean, maybe too many people are using these apps now, and the developers maybe can't afford it, or the developers have just decided to go very cheap on us. But either way, I'm going to keep on trying to search for real money-making applications, and I'm going to keep on showing you my experience. Because the thing is, I covered Playsmart earlier in the year, and I have to say, everyone, Playsmart has actually gotten worse since I first played it all that time ago. It's actually very worrying to me because it feels like we're kind of running out of time here with these real money making apps. Now that being said, let me talk about how many coins I earned and my cash out experience. So the coins you earn per game are actually quite low compared to most of the applications I've covered here on the channel. I actually think Playsmart is one of the lowest paying applications I've covered now on the channel, which makes me so sad because this application used to be one of the best. To give you an example, I earned around 1,260 coins in the span of about 21 hours of gameplay time. That is right, everyone. You got to think about that very carefully. Now on the screen, I'll be showing Playsmart's options available to you when it comes to redeeming the coins. And as you can tell, the coins that I really earned in the span of 21 hours of gameplay time is not that much. That literally only rewarded me with about $1.50, everyone, for 21 hours of my phone being active playing these games all the time. And this is what I'm talking about, guys. I have no idea why these money-making applications are going so cheap on us these days. Again, it could be depending on my country. Maybe you guys will have a much better pay rate than I did. But for me personally, I will never play this again probably. So everyone, for playing at around a total of 21 hours, I cashed out 3 lots of the 50 cents options here on Playsmart. They paid me every single request, which was fantastic to see. Thankfully, there are some developers that are actually respecting their players and still paying them. So even though they paid me hardly anything, I can always respect the developer that's actually gonna honor their word. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this video helped you out there. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Catch you around.